Now, number third type of reaction, fourth type of reaction is reaction with thionyl chloride, a reaction with SOCl2. This is called thionyl chloride. Thionyl chloride. Now we treat alcohols with thionyl chloride, SOCl2. SOCl2, we get haloalkanes RCl, plus we get SO2 as a byproduct, plus we get HCl gas as a byproduct. Now this reaction is very important and most frequently used method for the formation of haloalkanes. Why? Because in this reaction we get gaseous products. Gaseous products can be easily recovered from the reaction vessel. That's why it's important. This is called Darzin's method. This is called Darzin's method. Darzin's method of formation of haloalkanes. Now see what will be the mechanism of this reaction? Mechanistic details of this reaction. What we are going to do, we treat alcohol with thionyl chloride, S double bond O, Cl and Cl. This is our thionyl chloride. We treat alcohol with this. What happens? This is a polar bond between sulfur and oxygen atom. There is polar bond between sulfur and chlorine. There is polar bond between sulfur and chlorine. Now lone pair of electrons of oxygen and sulfur takes place. This bond breaks towards oxygen atom. We get R, O, H, positive charge on oxygen atom. Why? Because lone pair of electron attacks sulfur atom. Single bond O negative, single bond Cl. R, O, this is H. It attacks, this oxygen attacks sulfur. This sulfur contains O negative and it contains two Cl groups. Now see what happens. This hydrogen leaves as H positive ion. We get R, O, single bond sulfur, single bond O negative, single bond Cl, single bond Cl. This H positive ion is attacked by Cl negative. This Cl leaves as Cl negative. This Cl negative attacks our H positive ion. We get HCl minus times HCl. Therefore, what product we are going to get? ROS, single bond O negative and single bond Cl. Now, once this leaves, this negative charge comes back. Therefore, we get double bond O. Now, see what happens in the next step. This Cl leaves. This bond breaks towards this side. Now what happens? This bond breaks. What we are going to get? S double bond O minus times SO2. This is gaseous in nature. And this Cl negative attacks this carbon atom. We get RCl. This is our product. This is the mechanism of reaction of alcohols with thionyl chloride. These were certain methods how we prepare haloalkanes from alcohols. There were certain methods. One was reaction with Lucas reagent, in which we have shown that only tertiary and secondary alcohols undergo that reaction more readily compared to primary. Primary will only go when heat is applied. And second method was reaction with PCl3 and PCl5. The only difference was in the formation of byproducts. And the third one is Darzin's method. Now there are certain practice questions. There are certain practice questions for you people so that you can have better understanding of concept. Now question number 1 is reaction of this compound with SOCl2. What type of reaction is this? You have to recognize the reaction. What type of reaction is this? This is Darzin's reaction. In Darzin's reaction, we treat alcohol with thionyl chloride. Now what is the product of the reaction? Do mechanism, or you can do directly do mechanism for 1-2 examples and you can directly predict the product. Now there is one more reaction. Let us take one more reaction. CH2OH plus we treat it with PCl5 and PCl3 and SOCl2, means these are three reactions you have to carry out. First reaction is PCl5, then reaction with PCl3, then reaction with SOCl2. You will get the product, three different products. These are three reactions. First, you have to carry out reaction with PCl5, then you have to carry out reaction with PCl3, then you have to carry out reaction with SOCl2. Now let us take one more example. Let us do first this question, then take such examples. Now let us take one more reaction of these haloalkanes, how they are formed. Haloalkanes are formed by free radical. Number second method is free radical halogenation. Free radical halogenation of alkanes. Free radical halogenation. Now what are free radicals? Free radicals are odd electron species. Free radicals are odd electron species. Odd electron species. For example, we have a carbon. To this carbon we have 3 bonds and 1 electron. This is odd electron species. How many electrons are total over here? Now see, this bond contains 2 electrons, this bond 2, this bond 2, 6 electrons, and 1 electron, that is 7 electrons. There should have been 8 electrons, therefore it is deficient of 1 electron. Therefore it is unstable, because it does not have octet complete. If it is deficient of 1 electron, if it is unstable, it will be highly reactive. Therefore these are known as reactive intermediates. Now free radicals are also stabilized like that of carbocations. This is methyl free radical. We can have primary free radical. Primary free radical means the carbon which bears radical is directly proportional to only one carbon atom. We can have secondary free radical. This is secondary free radical, and we can have tertiary free radical. Now what is free radical? It is electron deficient species. It needs electron. Any group which is capable of donating electrons, we stabilize it. Therefore this is more stable because it contains 3 methyl groups. Now free radical halogenation of alkanes. Whenever we have free radical reaction, free radicals are generated. Free radicals are generated in presence of H nu, that is sunlight, or peroxide. Now what's our peroxide? Take hydrogen peroxide. Hydrogen peroxide is a compound which contains OO linkage. Wherever there is OO linkage, that's a peroxide. Now this is peroxide. We can have CH3, C double bond O, OOH. Can we call it peroxide? Yes, because it contains OO linkage. We have one more peroxide that's called MCPBA, metachloroperbenzoic acid. This is perbenzoic acid. This is called peracetic acid. We have perbenzoic acid. This is our perbenzoic acid. Metachloro. This position with respect to this group is ortho, para, meta. This is metachloroperbenzoic acid. We can replace by these 3 hydrogen atoms by fluorine. We get CF3, C double bond O, OOH. This is also free radical. Whenever in the reaction mixture it is given H nu or peroxide, certainly that reaction is a free radical reaction. Now we'll bring about free radical halogenation of alkanes. Free radical halogenation of alkanes. For example, chlorination. Let us take an alkane, CH3, CH2, CH3. Whenever there are free radicals, formation, rearrangement, possibility of rearrangement is quite there. Now treat it with, in presence of H nu, treat it with chlorine, for example, or peroxide, because peroxide or H nu generates free radical. Now we get the product of the reaction, product A and product B. Which will be major product, we will see. Now first step, what involves, that is the mechanism of this reaction. First step involves formation of free radical, means Cl-Cl bond breaks down in presence of H nu or peroxide. The aim of using H nu or peroxide is to form free radicals. It breaks homolytically. Now if this bond breaks homolytically, we get Cl radical plus Cl radical, or we can write twice Cl radical. Means we get Cl radical. Now in the second step, this is called generation of radical. This is called generation of radical. In the first step, radicals are generated, or it's called initiation reaction. Now in the second step, this is step first mechanism I have already shown in the last year as well. Now this is second step, CH3, CH2, CH2H. Now what happens? This chlorine radical reacts with this hydrogen. Since it needs only one electron, that's why I have shown half arrow, and this electron comes over to here. We get new type of radical, that's alkyl radical. Now this is our alkyl radical. What type of radical is this? This is primary radical. Primary radical in the sense because radical bearing carbon is directly attached to only one carbon atom. Now is there possibility of any rearrangement if I write it like this? Is there possibility of any rearrangement? Yes, there is. Because from less stable primary radical, we are going to get secondary radical. What we are going to get? Secondary radical. This is CH radical and this is CH3. Now we can get two types of products. This primary radical may also react. This secondary radical may also react. With what? It can react with this chlorine radical. React with chlorine radical. If it reacts with chlorine radical, we get one chloropropane. CH2, CH2, Cl. Means product A is CH3, CH2, CH2, Cl. Now it can react with secondary radical as well. We can get secondary alkyl halide 2-chloropropane. Cl, CH3. Second product is CH3, CH, Cl, CH3. Now which one is major product? This will be the major product. Why? Because this is formed from most stable radical. This will be major product. Question is asked, predict the major product of the reaction. Now this is how halogenation takes place in case of alkanes. Now questions of this halogenation. Question number 1. Question is on this halogenation. Question number 1. Question number 1. Bring about the following reaction. What will be the major product of following reaction? CH3, we treat it with HNu and Cl2. We have OH, we have CH2, CH3. We treat it with HNu and Cl2. What will be the product and which one will be the major product? This is question number 1. This is question number 2. Now question number 3. CH, CH3, CH3, and this is hydrogen. We treat it with what? Chlorine and HNu or peroxide. Now predict the major product of these reactions. There is one question which is shown in your textbook. I will write that question as well. This is nitro group, and to this nitro group there is at para position we have CH2, CH3. We are treating it with Br2 in presence of heat. At very high temperature, free radicals are also generated. That's why heat is given over here. Or you are given HNu or you are given peroxide. Now predict the product of the reaction. This is homework for you. At least 10-15 questions. Do these questions and do also questions from competitive exams. In case you feel difficulty in any question, please comment me in the comment box. I will upload mechanism of that reaction and answer to your question. Thanks for watching.